Hey all, today we discuss topic about that social bookmarking sites. So guys, this is a Distraga channel. So who are into coming to first time, we can listen the first of all complete words. So what we can discuss, how we can get the traffic, everything will be compass important. So come first of all, social bookmarking sites. So first of all, what we can discuss about the social bookmarking. Social bookmark is the online service which allow user to add, annotate, edit, or so share bookmarks from your web document. Many online bookmark management service have launched since 1996. Delicious found 2003. So popular sites will be there. So these sites will be helping purpose mainly the helping purpose of we can divert traffic from social bookmark sites to your website. For example, we can selecting for Tumblr. In this, we have to select any kind of content here. If you go to Nizam page, anything, copy the URL. We can go to web link will be here. We can submit our website link into the social bookmarking sites that is a Tumblr. There, what we can writing in the SEO title and everything, the based on the keyword will be promoting for here. So here, services, company, agency. This company belongs to for Rakesh Tech Solutions. The trainer will be Mr. Rakesh satisfied very research. So here is the I'm writing in this, and next one will click for the in your particular tag. So how many tag we can use by using this option? These are nothing but hashtags. When you're typing any keyword, they're automatically selecting for your hashtag option. So this will be compulsory important for the getting traffic from Tumblr to your website. Tumblr to your website. So this all will be very, very important. So now we can go with the option name is called post. Suppose copy the URL, open for incognito window. So this is the Tumblr website. This is the Tumblr website. In this Tumblr website, what are the link you can promote in here? In here. When click, people will be click this link. They go to your website. What the terminology we can use? Everything social bookmarking. That option will be only major will be focus about that. We can generating traffic on your website. That all nothing but referral traffic. They're all nothing but referral traffic. Who will be create referral traffic? That referral traffic will be created by the Tumblr. The referral traffic created by the Tumblr option. Like one another website, Flowcard. This website also same. We can open the copy URL, click it and submit here. There is called if you not fetch URL, simply we can do this option name is called what are the titles or everything will be here. The mention will be here. Now click option name is called tag. Click for save item. So when people will be click here, SEO services Nizampet Hyderabad. When people searching for this Hyderabad keyword on Flowcard, so they all will be showing to the particular post will be here. This particular post with the main reason is called traffic diversion on your particular website. So Flowcard already using for some people. So the Flowcard will be generating traffic for your my website. Now where? Click for here. They go to your particular website, Rakesh Tech Solutions. Social bookmark main purpose is called you can generating for referral traffic when people will be submission for any kind of links and content option. So how many links we can submit for one social bookmarking? So depend on your promotions, you can submit any number of. There's no limit. So anything will be charged in will be. They can't charge any single amount. So everything will be free to we can promote this option. So why we can providing for free of cost? So free of cost, they will be sharing for particular audience. In a paid one is we can generating for more link and more traffic also, and it will be recommended for the multiple websites. So that is the option. So any kind of social bookmark site we can do only optional purpose is called backlink submission purpose. We can copy. I'll go the get pocket, simple. Click here. That link will be accepting for here. Now after this one, we can go to the refresh. So copy bookmark for you, save a website, copy link and click for next. And one more thing option, some particular website, any link will be submitted only for one time. Suppose we can go to the second time will be submitted, will be, you can try this call, you always submit this link. So one link we can submit only for one time. So that is the compass important and keep it in mind for it. So if you do anything wrongs, they will be suspend your particular account. So Instapaper, link, click for and add. So how they will be promoting my links, that all will be based on your writing for SEO on-page technique, title and description. So that will be promoting your particular URLs. People will be searching. This link will show to the customer by using Instapaper option. So this is all nothing but we can generating for website traffic purpose. Bookmark for you, get pocket, Instapaper and Ding. So anything will be here as option. So submit the link. So same like that we can using number of websites as cost will be only free option. So the social bookmark will use, this will be keyword and purpose. This will be, we can show for image purpose. This will be link and audio and video file. Any YouTube channel link promoting, that option name is called video option. Add video from web and upload the video option. So those are the steps we can follow and the social bookmarking to get generating traffic on your particular website and particular website pages. So remember always we can selecting for social bookmark site minimum 20. We can promoting for 2 keywords. That is a major impact from the getting traffic for with the strong backlinks. So any kind of content that only promote option name is called. The only for motto is called you can generating traffic on your website. So that is the we can working for social bookmarking sites. Social bookmarking site nothing but we can tagging your particular keyword, divert traffic on your website, will get the more traffic on your website purpose. So use the social bookmark sites. Any sites are required, please go to my blog. There are number of social bookmark sites are there. You can choose from the particular page wise. I think it's going to second or third page. So that page and try for it, getting for more traffic on your particular website. If any have question about this social bookmarking is not available, is saying for is expired and soon, not this, listen any words. We can how many days it is happening, you can share it and getting for more traffic on your particular website. So guys, don't forget this option. Compass are used by the social bookmark sites. The top layer will be Tumblr, Flowcard, Scoopit, Bank, Getpocket, Instapaper, Bookmark for you, and Digo. These all websites will be given to the best backlink and best traffic also. So this is compass we can follow. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.